Right, as you can see, Tim's holding a crisp, and he's loads of, what are they called, Tim?
Seagulls.
Seagulls. And Tim just grabbed one. He's going to try. Can't watch us. Watch this now. Tim, you're going to attempt it now?
Yep, this is
right.
the first attempt. Oh, he was quick.
He knows.
That's probably the same one.
Yeah.
Another one.
Oh my god, he attacked us. Oh, he snapped his leg, eh?
Oh, bloody hell, it's quick now, isn't it? That was luck.
Yes! Tim's catched one.
Look how nice and clean he is. Like Charlie.
Right, as you can see, he's attacking.
No, he can't eat them like that, can he? Is he?
And he went. We're all scared now, look. We're all going.
Oh, wait, Tim.
Oh!
Welcome home.
As you can see, this is the woman at his feet then. She's eating. We're all scared now, as you can see. Good God, Tim. You've killed them.
He will.
That,
Come on, be brave.
that. Whoa!
Tim.
Oh, you want to catch another one?
Yeah.
Oh, right, I didn't know. What did you say? Let him get it trashed first. Right, now the next one.
Alright, this is it now. Oh. Tip. Oh.
You're trying to nick my hat.
Here he is.
Oh, two of them, look at them.
Oh, look at them all going for it.
God, Tim. It sounds so wrong. It's like if you're going to break his leg.
You're not going to break his leg.
At least you're keeping the thing. The beak.
Yes!
Fold your wings in. Fold them in. Right, like that. One.
Two. Oh, look at that.
Hey, you little puppy.
Look at that.
Let go.
Oh my God.
Where's Harvey? Where's Harvey?
Good God, Cody. Look, show us your teeth.
He gonna let
Show us your teeth.
Show your teeth.
Show us your teeth, Code.
He's gonna let it go inside
Nah,
him.
you do it. We'll just follow to over there. Where is he? Let's see it, Dad.
Follow me.
Oh, look at that.
Let's go.
Yeah, let's go, Dad. You could die of instant. Here he goes, safe in the water.
That one didn't make much fuss, did it?
Yeah, go wait.
Right, that's it. Yep.